Hello and good morning, students. As you know, students, we are studying some special integrals. Today, we will solve some more problems, more formulas related to special integral. See the question given yesterday, perhaps. Integrate x square minus 1 dx divided by x to the power 4 plus x square minus 1 x to the power 4 plus x square plus 1. In the very first step, divide both side by x square. Divide both side by x square. Then integration should equals to numerator both side, don't write both side, divide, write directly, divide by x square to numerator and denominator. Then I is equals to, means integration should be written as 1 minus 1 by x square dx divided by x square plus 1 by x square. Just rearrange the term. It should be further written as 1 minus 1 by x square dx divided by x square plus 1 by x square. This 1 should be written as plus 2 minus 1. So the three terms together, x square plus 1 by x square plus 2, should be written as integral of 1 minus 1 by x square dx divided by x plus 1 by x whole square. The first, second and third term becomes x plus 1 by x whole square minus 1. Now apply substitution and here put x plus 1 by x as u. Then differentiating both sides. Differentiation of 1 will be x and 1 by x is minus 1 by x square. So 1 minus 1 by x square dx should written as du. So now our integration will reduces to integral of du, the whole numerator becomes du upon u square minus 1. Now the integration is very simple. 1 bata 2a, a is already 1, so it should be 1 bata 2 log u minus 1 bata u plus 1. Write it in bracket. Now write down the value of u. What is u? X plus 1 by x. So I should further written as 1 by 2 log x plus 1 by x minus 1 divided by x plus 1 by x plus 1. Take out LCM of both numerator and denominator. Both will be same, that is x. So both LCM should be cancelled, and now the numerator will reduces to x square minus x plus 1, x square minus x plus 1 divided by, again it should be x square plus x plus 1, x square plus x plus m 1. LCM of both numerator is x and denominator is also x, so LCM of both should be cancelled. So this is our solution, this is your result. Now your next question is, or you can say next identity formula is integrate dx upon under root a square minus x square. In this integration, first of all apply substitution. Put x is equal to a sin theta. Differentiate them. So differentiation should be dx will be a, differentiation of sin theta is cos theta d theta. Now I should be written as integral of dx. Dx is a cos theta d theta, a cos theta d theta divided by under root a square x square. So x square will be a square sin square theta, a square sin square theta whole root. Numerator is a cos theta d theta. In denominator take a square as a common. So after taking a square common, in outside the root it becomes a, and inside root we have 1 minus sin square theta. So a and a should also cancel. Integration of cos theta d theta divided by under root 1 minus sin square theta. 1 minus sin square theta is cos square theta, and its square root is cos theta. So write down cos theta and cos theta should cancel. Finally we have I is equals to integration of 1 into d theta, which is theta. Now calculate the value of theta. You have put sin theta, a sin theta is equal to x. So sin theta will be x by a and theta will be sin inverse x bata a. This is integration of 1 bata under root a square minus x square. We will use this integration as an identity also in solution of various problems. So you must learn the formula. This should be equals to sin inverse x bata a plus constant c. This is not only question, this is also an identity. You must learn it. Your next identity based like this is integrate. The next one is integrate dx upon under root x square minus a square. Again here apply suitable substitution so that the terms inside the root becomes a suitable trigonometrical identity. For this, put x is equal to a sec theta. X is equal to a sec theta. Then dx will be a differentiation of sec theta is sec theta into tan theta. Sec theta into tan theta and d theta. Now the given integral should be written as integral of dx, that is a sec theta tan theta d theta divided by a square sec square theta minus a square. Just like previous identity, take out a square as a common, and this common outside root becomes a. So we write it as a sec theta into tan theta d theta divided by a under root sec square theta minus 1. So a and a further cancels here. Sec square theta minus 1 is tan square theta, and its square root will be tan theta. So I should be written as sec theta into tan theta d theta divided by tan theta. Tan theta and tan theta will be cancels here. Hence finally we have got sec theta d theta. You know integration of sec theta is log sec theta plus tan theta. So it should be written as log sec theta plus tan theta. Now calculate the value of sec theta as well as tan theta. We have considered x is equal to a sec theta. Then of course sec theta is x bata a. Sec theta is x bata a, and tan theta should be written as under root sec square theta minus 1, means under root x square by a square minus 1. Take out its LCM. So x square minus a square and a square root of LCM, that is a square, is a. X square minus a square is a. So sec theta is a x square minus a square bata a is tan theta. Hence integration will be written as log sec theta x bata a plus tan theta under root x square minus a square by a. Take out its LCM. So it becomes log x plus under root x square minus a square after taking LCM bata a. So by log property it becomes minus log a. Since log a is also constant, so finally it may be considered as plus c, which is integral constant. We always use in the end, in that will be integral constant. So finally we write integral of dx by under root x square minus a square should equals to log x plus under root x square minus a square plus c. Minus log a is considered as a constant. This is also an identity like previous one. You must have to learn these identities which is applicable in problems. See one more article here. Your next article is evaluate integral of dx by under root x square plus a square. Again apply substitution. Put x is equal to a tan theta. Consequently, dx will be a sec square theta d theta. So I should be written as dx a sec square theta d theta divided by under root a square tan square theta plus a square. Like previous identities, take out a square as a common and in outside root it becomes a. So a sec square theta d theta by a under root tan square theta plus 1. Again a and a should cancel. Tan square theta plus 1 is sec square theta and its square root is sec theta. So it should be written as sec square theta d theta by sec theta. After cancellation it becomes integral of sec theta d theta. Just like previous problem, integral of sec theta is I is equals to log sec theta plus tan theta. Now convert sec theta and tan theta in terms of x, means it should be written as log, first write this tan theta here, and sec theta is under root 1 plus tan square theta. 1 plus tan square theta is sec square theta and its square root becomes sec theta. So log, we have considered a tan theta is equals to x. A tan theta is equals to x. So tan theta will be x by a. X by a plus under root 1 plus x square by a square. Just like previous identities, take out LCM. So numerator will be x plus under root a square plus x square minus log a by applying property of log a. Again consider minus log a as a constant. So I means integral of dx by under root x square plus a square will be log x plus under root a square plus x square plus integral constant c. Again you must learn this as an identity also. It is not only problem, also identities. So today we have solved some different identities also. In the next class we will solve some problems based on its based on these identities. Till then, tomorrow I shall give some more problem for your practice. Till then, okay and good day.